Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shirley, or you guys call me Appreciate Shay. Today's video is going to be about the Boxycharm, my monthly Boxycharm. Today I'm going to show you guys what I have in my box. I already don't open it. Today, this is the month of November box, so yeah. And I created this look with the products that they gave me in my box. So let's see what's inside. Well, I already know what's inside, so I want you guys to guess what's inside here and which product I'm going to use in my makeup tutorial. Stay tuned. If you guys don't know what's a Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you pay $21 a month for 5 full products, and I feel like it's worth the money. They always switch up everything that they give you once every month, and it's really nice. So yeah, let's check it out what I have in my box. So what I see inside here is the Boxycharm Stellar. I guess it's the theme of this month, Stellar. And this is the list of items that they gave me. So the first product I'm gonna show you guys that they gave me are the Lilly lashes. I never had Lilly lashes. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. You're gonna see me put it on throughout the tutorial. It's really fluffy. I love it. I'm so happy they gave me this because I've never had it before. Oh my gosh, it's the CEO Lilly lashes. So the next product that they gave me inside are the Undercover Pretty Vulgar Lightweight Concealer. They basically gave me 4 different shades. I didn't use it in this tutorial because I wanted to save it for the next tutorial. They have the light, Little White Lies, Tiptoe Over the Line, the Middle Ground, and Midnight Mystique. I really like this brand, but I never tried their concealer. I did try their foundation, and it's really nice and it's full coverage. So I'll check this out later. The next product that they gave me in my Boxycharm is the Kypris Serum Antioxidant Dew Serum. I love face serums. I love to use them twice or 3 times a week. It's really good. It's like the milky kind. It's great for like normal to oily skin. If you want to have a nice radiant look throughout the day, you will love to apply this serum. Yes, it's quench and glow serum. So you use this like 2-3 times a week before you moisturize. So this is what they gave me. The next product is, oh my gosh, of course, Dose of Colors. Very beautiful. I love the Dose of Color. This is what I use in my tutorial. That's what's on my lip. Of course, I gotta outline it with a nice brown NYX lip liner, and then I'll apply the Dose of Colors in between. It's mattifying. The shade is called Flirty. You know, I love to flirt. I flirt a lot. So the shade's called Flirty. It's a liquid matte lipstick. Very nice. Beautiful, of course. Anyways, the next product that they gave me are brushes. The Boxycharm brush. They gave me 2 full-size brushes. One for like foundation. The hair is really soft. Very fluffy. And the next one is for contour. You can contour for like powders or cream, but I mostly use this for contour. So they gave me like 2 brushes, foundation, contour, or powder. And the next thing that they gave me is my favorite one that I love so much. Of course, as you can see, it's on my face. Bam. Sorry guys. Bam. The eyeshadow palette, Celestial's Thunder. This is what I use, guys. Dominique Cosmetic. This is the favorite product that I love that they gave me out of this Boxycharm monthly subscription box. I love these colors, very vibrant, very pigmented. Her products are very pigmented. I really love it. I use the Internal Light for my inner eyes. I use the Mystic Ice as blue color. I use the Lucid Dreams hot pink color. And I use the Zero Gravity as my smoked out grayish smoky eye color. You feel me? So I created everything. Well, not everything. I used like 3. I used the eyeshadow palette, the lipstick, and I used the Lilly lash in this tutorial. So if you guys want to stay tuned how I created this look with my monthly Boxycharm, just stay tuned to this video. Oh, and make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe my videos. Make sure you guys click the notification bell. And yeah, just stay tuned and just keep on watching.